again. I'm going to show you all good prices.
Thank you, bro.
Here we are, 200 lavender butter cigarettes, £18.
L&M is £18, Lombard butter £20.
Yeah. £20 lavender butter. 17. Just see that. And there's a kind of face that we'll show you. Thank you very much, mate. Thank you. Cheers. Okay. Thank you. You've also got a 24-hour doctor on call. Hopefully you'll not need that. And a beauty salon. Make our way back up these stairs now, back up to level 1, the reception level. There's your rep stations there. All the information if you're flying with Jet 2.